Hey guys, Brett here, and welcome to my review blog. I've been running this blog where I did reviews of IM products since 2014, and I've wrote hundreds of reviews and generated tens of thousands of sales from these reviews. I've also earned hundreds of thousands of dollars in commissions from the reviews that I've written on this site. Now, for the longest time, I suggested that people just getting started in the internet marketing business who wanted to make money as an affiliate create their own review blog and write their own reviews. Now, even though this is an incredibly profitable way to make money online, I stopped suggesting that people create their own review blog. And the reason I stopped suggesting it is because I know it's a ton of work writing product reviews. And I also know that most people just don't have the time to do all the work required to write these reviews. Now, for the longest time, that was just the end of it. I know that this is a way you can make money online, but I also know that it's just too much work for most people. Well, recently, everything has changed. New AI technology has allowed me to create a WordPress plugin that will write product reviews for you without you needing to do much of anything at all. As a matter of fact, you only have to copy and paste two website URLs to create product reviews for a blog and profit the same way I have. Let me go ahead and show you how it works. So this is my AI review engine WordPress plugin, and this plugin will automatically write product reviews for you. Now, I review IM products on the JVZoo network. However, AI Review Engine will work with just about any kind of website that you can get an affiliate link for. It will work with eBay products. It will work with Amazon products. It will work with Warrior Plus products, ClickBank products, JVZoo products. If you can get a sales page URL and an affiliate link, you can use AI Review Engine to automatically write product reviews for your blog. Let me go ahead and show you a quick demo. So here I am, I'm logged into my JVZoo affiliate account, and I'm looking at a product called Doodle Maker Enterprise by Paul Pona. And all I need to do is two things. The first thing I want to do is go ahead and click right here to get to the product page. So that way I can see the sales page for this particular product. I'll go ahead and give that a click. And now what I want to do is go up here, and I want to copy the website URL, and I'm going to take this over to AI Review Engine. I'll go ahead and paste that in the field that says enter product URL. Next, I'm going to head back to JVZoo and get my affiliate link. I'll copy this link and I'll take it back over to AI Review Engine. Paste that into the field that says enter affiliate link. Now all I need to do is go ahead and click on create post. Now AI Review Engine is going to go ahead and do its thing. You can see it's actually saying it's loading on the right hand side, and this will take about 60 seconds for it to process. What it's doing right now is scanning the sales page, and it's generating a product review for me based on the information that it scans. Now, normally, I would have had to do all of that manually. I would have had to go through the sales page. I would have had to have read the copy. I would have had to take notes on what I read. I would have had to start writing the review manually myself. I would have had to make sure that it matched up with the notes that I took. I would have had to then go through everything and make sure there was no grammar errors, make sure there was no spelling errors. It would have been a ton of work. But as you can see, it's already done. So let's go over and check out my current posts, and we'll see what it created. Okay, so here's the post that AI Review Engine just created. It's titled Doodle Maker Live Review, and let's go ahead and click on it and see exactly how it looks. So as you can see, AI Review Engine has created a new post with a complete review of the product that I wish to promote. It's well thought out. It's grammatically correct. There are no spelling errors. And most important, at the bottom is a call to action button that says click here, which will take people to the sales page via my affiliate link. Now, I can go ahead and I can add images to this review if I want, or I could just leave it the way it is. What's really cool about this, though, is I've generated a review, a well-written, accurate review in seconds. I would have normally spent a long time before I even started writing the review, and then I would have had to spend a ton of time actually writing the review, but it's done in seconds for me. And as I said, I'm using this for JVZoo products, but you can use it for any kind of product you want. If you can get an affiliate link and a sales page, whether it's Amazon, eBay, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, whatever you like, you can write reviews and have a complete review blog to make affiliate commissions the way I did without needing to do any of the work that I had to do.